How to unhook crate and barrel sectional. I'm going to tell you how to unhook a crate and barrel sectional without damaging anything. First, find where the pieces of your sectional connect, usually underneath, near the base of each seat. Crate and barrel sectionals often use metal alligator clips or sliding brackets to hold the sections together. To unhook them, gently pull one section away while slightly lifting up. You may need to rock the piece forward and backward until the connector slides out. If it's a newer model, check if there's a small release lever underneath. Some 2025 designs include these for easier separation. Take your time and don't yank it, especially if it feels stuck. Once the clip releases, continue unhooking the remaining sections one by one. If your sectional has a corner wedge, detach the piece last. It usually has connections on both sides and might need a bit more wiggle. After separating everything, place the pieces aside carefully to avoid bending the connectors.